The RIDGID SeeSnake CS65XR Monitor Kit is engineered for professionals who need dependable visual inspections without compromises. This is not consumer-level equipment. It is built specifically for real-world plumbing, sewer, and pipe inspection work where accuracy, durability, and documentation matter every single day. At the center of the CS65XR experience is its high-resolution display. The screen delivers sharp detail, strong contrast, and consistent brightness that allows internal pipe conditions to be clearly identified. Cracks, buildup, blockages, root intrusion, and pipe misalignment are easier to spot because the image quality stays clean and stable even in difficult lighting environments. This reduces uncertainty and helps inspections move faster and more confidently. Storage capacity is another major advantage. With a built-in 128GB solid-state drive, this monitor allows extended video recording and image capture without interruption. Large inspection projects can be stored directly on the device, making it easier to organize job records and revisit footage when needed. Solid-state storage also improves durability and speed, ensuring smooth operation and reliable performance over time. The CS65XR is designed to handle harsh working conditions. The water-resistant keyboard is a practical feature that protects the unit from moisture, splashes, and grime commonly found on job sites. Keys remain responsive and easy to operate, even when hands are wet or gloved. This design detail adds convenience while extending the lifespan of the equipment. Connectivity and file sharing are handled efficiently through dual USB ports. Inspection footage can be transferred quickly to a computer or external drive for reporting, training, or customer documentation. This makes it easier to provide visual evidence of issues and helps customers better understand recommended repairs. Durability is evident throughout the entire build. The housing feels solid and purpose-built, ready for frequent transport and daily use in demanding environments. This is equipment meant to work alongside professionals, not sit on a shelf. Every aspect of the design focuses on reliability, usability, and long-term value. When used with compatible SeeSnake camera reels, the CS65XR delivers smooth live video with minimal delay. Navigating through pipes feels precise, allowing issues to be located quickly and accurately. Faster inspections reduce labor time and help improve overall workflow efficiency. For professionals focused on delivering accurate diagnostics and building customer trust, this monitor plays a critical role. Clear visuals make it easier to explain problems, justify repairs, and avoid unnecessary repeat visits. Over time, this leads to better results, stronger credibility, and increased productivity. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this RIDGID 68768 SeeSnake CS65XR Monitor Kit with 128GB internal SSD, high-resolution display, water-resistant keyboard, and dual USB ports, then please visit the link provided in the description. That link will take you directly to the best available option right now. If this content helped you understand whether this inspection monitor fits your professional needs, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tool and equipment reviews, and leave a comment if you want comparisons or hands-on usage tips.